All right, we're changing out the rear taillights of a GMC Yukon. This will be for a 2015 to 2020 Yukon or Suburban. And this is a Yukon XL. XL. Okay, so randomly, my taillight stopped working the other night. It was dumping rain, so maybe that had something to do with it. I noticed this is cracked and there's water in there, so not ideal. Anyways, so that stopped working, but today it's working. So the question is, should I change it out or not? Anyways, I think I'm going to change it out. So they're $100 a light or so, shipped to your door. So let's do it. Okay, I got our new taillights here. Put those there. I got a few trusty tools. Now the trick is how do you get into here without busting anything? There you go. So there's 3 clips on the back of that one. Those just pop right out. Now we have access to our Torx there to pull that off. 15. 15's the winning. I guess I could hook this up to a drill. That might be more ideal, hey? Ow, I need that finger. Praise the Lord, it worked. So that was pretty easy. Okay, so now it's just a matter of a clip. You can come in right here, dropping it down. So right here on the side, there's a little guy right there that's gonna have to just lift up. Do the old pincho. Okay, we can see there's a lot. Oh, there's another one down there. That was just a half twist. It's been a lot of mud and dirt in there. Obviously, it's not getting cleaned up. I'm just gonna give that a quick clean, and then we'll clean this dude, and we'll put the new one in. I just got some soapy water and then vinegar and water right there. So we're gonna hit that just a little 1, 2, 3. Grab some paper towel. This was probably pulled off when they painted the truck, so I don't know if I mentioned, but this truck actually was hail damaged. This is the first rebuilt title I bought. So the province of British Columbia wrote this truck off because it had, I guess, pretty severe hail damage. I can show you down the side, you can see it, but that doesn't really affect the operation of the vehicle. Maybe it is affected this tail light and that top light that got smashed. So yeah, I guess it did affect it a bit. Okay, for the unboxing. So this is almost identical. There's the old one, there's the new one. I mean, they look pretty identical, right? Probably coming out of the same factory. Anyway, does have an R on there for Ryan. Okay, it was for Ryan. Okay, so we're gonna leave that on. We'll just peel that off just a bit. Hey, this is interesting. It gives you a whole housing for this section if you want to come down into here, which I don't think I do really. Why would I want to come into there? I guess if the whole... So there must be something down in there. Let's go look. You want to come with me? Ow. I guess if you got a fender bender. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Right there. So I could just unclip that and call it a day. Maybe I should do that. Maybe that's part of my problem. Boom, like that, and then that's gonna go up. I think I might need a flat screwdriver for that guy. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I've unclipped it down below. This should just pull right on up now. There you go. So you can see that guy, it just slid forward. It was kind of like, I don't know if it'll work in this position, but that was slid forward. I just peeled the red part back. So the red part is the part that moves forward right there. Okay, so that's kind of cool. I guess that's garbage. I didn't need to do that cleaning then. That was cool. This comes with the new bulb. Yes, it did. So there's a new bulb in there. So that's all new. Wow, so they really make this pretty easy. All you have to do is unscrew these two, pop it right out, and then undo the clip on the bottom. Okay, so that's gonna go on down, like so. And that's gonna fit in here. Oh, I see, but it also slides in the bottom into this clip right here. See that? So this clip right here needs to fit into this dude right there. So peel that up just a bit. Peel that back just a hair. And then the bottom, you can see on the side here, we've got those little guys right there. We need to just line up top and bottom right there. There we go there. The bottom will push in, and then those are just going to push in. Up tap. That's clipped in on the bottom as well. And now we're lined up right here and here for the two new screws. And I'm going to head underneath. We'll put those screws in. How do you like my pillow? Okay. Okay, that's just going to slide together. Light number one, down. That can come off. Kids are going to do their swing in here. We're going to put this cover back on, and side one will be done. Side one will be done. So that should go under there. Right. Come on. I know you want it. Okay. We're in. And we're off. Da-da-da-da! Looks good. Okay, one down. We just got to do the other side now. So repeat. We can put this in fast motion. I'm on the other side. There it is right there. I'm just going to pop that off. So I got to get this clip out. Like so. Once that clips out, I can push this up and I can work that. A little bit difficult to do with the GoPro attached to you. It's a little bit difficult to do with the GoPro attached to you. Okay, it stopped raining. It's actually sunny, but it's about 3 o'clock, so only got a few minutes before it gets dark here. So let's get this tail light in. Pull it out. First thing I want to do is make sure that it's all the way pulled down, and then I'm going to tape that off. So I got as much length that I can down there, right? I'm going to put a little bit of tape around that. Okay. So you can see right there, I pulled that down a bit. I mean, there's still a little bit. I've got as much wire as I can to get down, plug it in. Okay, so now I can take this foam off. They did a good job of that, hey? A+ on the foam. So pull this back just a hair. Don't drop it, eh? That would be a pain. Okay. And then once again, we're getting this clip right here into that guy right there. And they did give us those plastics, but no sense me changing that out. Okay, we'll go to the side here. Okay, we're lining up those 2 pins with these guys. This is going down. That guy. So we lined those guys up right inside here. Oh God, my fingers. Okay, that's in. It's nice and tight there. Do I want it that tight? I don't know. That goes into there. And this one down at the bottom. And as far as that, that's fine. That can get pumped out right there. Okay, that's good. The cover can go back on, but I gotta go underneath and plug that in. It did just rain, so I'm gonna need zap strap, this clip. We're laying down, coming down. Okay. Okay, kind of hard to see. Maybe you can go on my shoulder there. This guy right here. Connected to this, and it can only go in one way. I'll try it the other way. It doesn't go in, it only goes in that way. Come on. Oh, sorry. I'll show you in a second after. Comfortable. Got it apart there. That just goes in like that. Clips, and then this guy clips in like that. You can see it's done right there. We're just gonna pop this in right there. So it'd be nice if we could get that up there a little higher. There we go. I think we're good. We did it. Okay. Take that guy off. Let's turn these on. Let's turn on the 4-ways, hey? 4-ways are on. Yeah? Huh? Victory in Jesus. Okay, that was good. So yeah, we got it. Lights are on. So there you go. I'll leave a link for those in the description below. I got those off of Amazon. It's a pretty quick install. You can probably do it, you know, if you know what you're doing, it's gonna take you 5 minutes to decide. So, but give yourself 20 minutes. All right, we'll clean that up. Both the lights are working. Nice. So yeah, if you need some lights, check them out. Give the video a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.